Hey, what's up, everybody? I hope everyone is doing fine. So, welcome to my channel, Blajir, and greetings from Pakistan. So, in this video, I will be telling you some alternatives of Google Play. So, before starting the video, if you are new to my channel, then please go on, subscribe it, and press the bell icon. So, number one on our list is the Amazon App Store for Android. So, guys, Amazon App Store is the Google's best and the biggest competitor, and it gives away a paid app for free every day, and using Amazon's dedicated app store is the only way to access them. So all you need to do, if you want to install this Amazon app store on your Android, then you can visit its official website and download it from here. Okay, you will need to provide your email address to them, then they will send you the link from where you will be downloading this app. So next on our list is Getjar. It's one of the oldest available website to offer thousands of Android apps and games for free, and it is very popular store as well. So I don't know if it provides if it comes as an app or not, but you can access this Getjar from your browser, and you will be getting many paid app for free. Those apps which you have to buy from Play Store, they will be available free on this website. So next on our list is Mobogenie. So it's a very useful app, and you can download its APK from any website. All you need to do is to search for Mobogenie and download it from any app website, and you will be installing it on your mobile phone to use it. So next on our list is Slide Me. Okay, guys, Slide Me is another alternative to Google Play, which offers a wide range of free and premium Android apps from application developers all around the world. So you can access it on their official website. So, okay, next on our list is F-Droid. Okay, F-Droid contains only free and open source apps. It is a non-profit volunteer organization. Anyone can join to help out or contribute funds, and there are no secret agendas or hidden methods of monetization. Okay, there are no paid apps here, all free apps are here. Okay, it is also a good alternative to Google Store. Okay, next one is Aptoid, and I'm using this app, and it is quite useful, and some apps are not available on Google Play, but they can be found on Aptoid. So I recommend this app. You can download it from its official website on your Android phone, and almost all and more apps can be found on this Aptoid. Okay, next on our list is Up2Down. You must have heard of it. If you download APKs on your mobile phone, then you must have heard of it. Okay, Up2Down website is available in 12 languages and offer localized content for each of them and providing free downloading. For this, it uses the services of VirusTotal. It means all the apps are virus free here. You don't need to worry about them, that if they contain any virus or not. They are virus free. Okay, next one is, which is also, it's an APK updater, which also available on Up2Down, and it's a very useful app. What it does, okay, APK updater is designed to help you update all the apps that you have installed on your device without using Google Play. So what I'm really saying is that APK updater only works to update only the APKs you have downloaded from a site other than Google Play. So it's a good alternative to Google Play as well. So next one is APK Mirror, and this is the website which I recommend you, and this is very useful, and all the apps are checked here. They are virus free, and you can also get many paid apps for free from this website. So next on our list is Get APK Android. So guys, Get APK can be downloaded from any APK providing website, and it's also the alternative to your Google Play. Okay, from here you will be able to download APKs of many or any of your choices app. Okay, next one on our list is Mobango App Store. So if you want to download this app, you can search it on your browser and write Mobango App Store download, and it will be available on any site. From where you can download it, you can install it on your mobile phone. And this app is also providing many useful apps which can be alternative of Google Play. Okay, next on our list is One App Market. Okay, this is also a very good alternative to Google Play, and it can be downloaded from dailydownloaded.com, and you can download its APK from this website, and if you want to install it on your phone and enjoy it. Okay, next on our list is AppBrain. Okay, AppBrain is a kind of special. Okay, from here you can download some early access apps and many apps which are not available on Google Store, and also the apps which are available on Google Store. Okay, from if you are app developer, then you can promote your app on this website. Okay, so next on our list is APK Pure. Okay, this is the one recommended by me. I also use it, and from here you can find all the apps available on Google Play Store, and also the apps which are not available on Google Play Store, and this is the one recommended by me. Okay, next on our list is Mobile 9. So this is the app which can also be found on Google Play and also on Apple Store. So you need to download it from there, or you can also maybe able to download it from its official website. And it is also a very good and protected virus-free alternative to Google Play. Okay, next on our list is Galaxy Store, Samsung Galaxy Store. If you are a Samsung user, then you must know that it's a very useful store to buy or install apps for your mobile phone. You can download its APK also for if you are non-Samsung user. Okay, last but not the least, 9apps. This is a very useful app as well, and you can download it from its official website. Okay, here it's very simple to download, and from here you will be able to download all the apps or all the applications which are available on Google Store and others as well. I mean, which are not available on Google Store. So these were the almost 17 alternatives which I just told you about. I hope you like them, and I'm not saying that you download all of them, or you don't need to go to every one of them. You can pick 2 to 5 apps or websites to use. Okay, then 2 to 5 to your favorite website or store. Okay, if this video was useful for you, then please go on subscribe my channel, because I really spend my time to find and search for these websites to make a video. So I hope this video was useful, and if this was, then please go on subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for new and updated videos, and also don't forget to share it with your friend. So okay, goodbye and see you in next video.